The Core Story Workshop is the one day that you turn everything off and make the reality of your business closer to the dream you have for your business.
We know that business owner-operators really get stuck in the day-to-day work and they don't take the time to focus on their vision, their purpose, their unique ability. Erik is the ideas guy, and he loves to coach and teach other people how to coach their team and create culture.
What if we could help those leaders not just become more popular in the marketplace, but more of who they're trying to be as leaders?
Sometimes you need things to be put on your radar, because when you're got your own startup, your brain's going all over the place. I've struggled with getting legs under me and actually crafting a narrative that explains what I'm doing. And it was like a gigantic light bulb went on, massively helpful.
You walk into different companies and they have "we believe" on the wall, and they feel so put together. And that's where workshops and things like this are just extremely useful and invaluable, because you do have to stop and you have to breathe and you have to get unstuck.
I had a bit of a blabbering statement written in my purpose, my why. Erik turned it into 3 words: transformation through connection. And so that was a really cool moment for me right in the first probably half an hour of this workshop, where it's like, okay, I already knew it was gonna be good, it's even better than good, and I'm excited to see where this really goes.
Then all of a sudden you're like, oh wait, now the edges are less fuzzy, I can see where this connects out to the bigger picture. That's awesome.
I can't paint without the right brush. I mean, I can, but it's a lot better with the right brush. In the same way, I think the activities, the primers, what he's doing, this is a very unique, good tool to like actually arrive at some places. Do both the digging and the like, oh, look what I found.
It's not about taking 8 hours of a workday, but it's about the long-term effect that it's going to have your business. And the way that you can set a vision now and be able to look at it from 5 years from now and find yourself in this exact room looking back and saying, I had that idea in that moment. That's what taking time aside at a day like today is all about.
The best part was just hearing everybody before I did, and how inspired like everybody is to kind of look back at their vision and to workshop it a little bit more, and to see that in all the people around this table is exciting to me, because I love that kind of stuff.
Seeing the shifts in individuals, the shift in thinking, the shift in mindset, talking about real, tangible ways that they're going to do things differently. And so that is what I was hoping for, and that's totally what happened today.